Welcome to the exciting world of Square the Range trading system. This advanced trading technique is designed to help you achieve your financial goals by providing a unique approach to trading that is both effective and efficient. At its core, Square the Range trading system is based on the principles of sacred geometry, which has been used for centuries to create harmonious and balanced structures. By applying these same principles to trading, we can achieve similar success in the financial markets. Sacred geometry is a term used to describe the ancient belief that certain geometric shapes hold divine or mystical properties. These shapes are often found in religious art, architecture, and symbolism from around the world. The idea behind sacred geometry is that these shapes have a universal meaning and can be used to connect with the spiritual realm. In trading, sacred geometry is used to identify patterns and trends in the market. Traders who use this technique believe that certain geometric shapes can indicate when a stock is about to rise or fall. For example, a triangle pattern may indicate that a stock is about to break out, while a rectangle pattern may indicate that a stock is trading within a range. By understanding these patterns, traders can make more informed decisions about when to buy or sell. The Square the Range trading system is a technical analysis tool used to identify key levels of support and resistance in a market. It works by drawing a square around price action, which creates a range that can be used to make trading decisions. Once the range is established, traders can look for opportunities to buy at the bottom of the range and sell at the top. This technique is effective because it allows traders to enter and exit trades with a high degree of accuracy, which can lead to increased profits. One of the most powerful techniques for taking your trading to the next level with the Square the Range trading system is to use Fibonacci retracements. By identifying key levels of support and resistance, you can use these retracements to predict potential price movements and make more informed trading decisions. Another advanced technique is to use multiple time frames when analyzing the market. By looking at different time frames, you can get a better understanding of the overall trend and identify key levels of support and resistance. This can help you make more accurate predictions about where the market is headed and make better trades. In one case study, a trader used the Square the Range trading system to successfully predict a trend reversal in the stock market. By identifying key levels of support and resistance using sacred geometry principles, the trader was able to enter a position at the perfect time and make a significant profit. Another trader used the Square the Range trading system to successfully trade cryptocurrencies. By analyzing the price movements of different coins using this technique, the trader was able to identify patterns and make profitable trades with minimal risk. In conclusion, the Square the Range trading system offers numerous benefits to traders who are looking for a more advanced and effective trading technique. By using sacred geometry principles, this system can help you identify key levels of support and resistance, as well as potential entry and exit points for your trades. One of the biggest advantages of this system is its versatility. It can be used across different markets and timeframes, making it suitable for both short-term and long-term traders. Additionally, the system's rules are easy to follow and can be automated using trading software, which can save you time and effort in the long run. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.